So this is just going to be a short little slide on rotational and linear motion analogs. Here I compiled a bunch of equations that are analogous to linear and rotational motion. So first, for position, we usually use a variable x for linear motion, theta for rotational. Velocity is v for linear, and rotational is a w. Acceleration is a for linear, alpha for rotational, so these are pretty easy to keep track of. And then we have our motion equations. Change in position equals velocity times change in time, and you just replace each of these equations with the variables. Final velocity equals initial velocity plus acceleration times time. Distance equals initial velocity times time plus 1/2 acceleration